it's me, Alexia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, it is another day for filming. Today, I went out in my mailbox in the morning, and guess what I found? Fidget toys! So I already got them out of the box. They weren't in plastic or anything, just, I don't know why. But, someone sent them to me. I do not know who. Maybe it's like an early Christmas gift. I do not know. So let's get started. So I didn't play with them yet, but I did take them out. So first thing I'm going to show you is this. And this got unwrapped. Okay. First I think there's a yo-yo. Is it? Yeah. Doesn't say, but yeah, definitely looks like a yo-yo. Yo-yo. But hey, did you notice the shells? 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna set this out like right now. By the way, yes, I am wearing a dress and yeah. So you basically, I think you put this in your finger and like, oh my god, this actually like lights up. This is so cool, my god. Dude, are you considered as fidgets? I do not know, but I'm just gonna say they are because I mean, it's actually really cool and you can actually really fidget with us. Oh my god, I'm losing track. Stay with me. This is satisfying. Okay, I love this. I'm actually going to be rating them because I do feel like I'm going to rate this an actual 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, 8.5. Number 1. Now, fidget number 2. Let's do this one. Yeah. So, this is actually really cool. It's an ice cream dimple. Like, let's test the pops. Oh my god, that's so good. Look at you, ice cream. Oh my gosh. But I don't like that the black and plain, but it's okay. I just don't like the red color because like it stands out. It's not nice. Anyway, do you like my Christmas tree earrings? Oh my god, my hair stuck. So ready for Christmas. I'm in the Christmas spirit. Oh my god, this is actually so cool. I love this. I will give this as well an 8.5 out of 10 because this red I do not like the bubble color, not like the red. So yeah. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to our fidget number 3. So what about this one? Yeah, let's go for this one. So, you know how I have a poppet ball? Well, I needed a cube. And whoever sent this package to me, I think it was like my grandparents or someone. I don't know. Or my friends. They knew I wanted this because it was like on my Christmas wish list. I was going to say on my shopping list. It's just so cool. Like, can you like pop more? Oh. There's like this big one. Stay. Oh my god. Stay in. Here, 3, 2, 1. I want to hear the big. I do not like that. It's not my favorite, but I mean, it's okay. But I like the pops. They're all like different kind of pops. Like they're all like some are strong, some are like really light. The 6 is actually really heavy. Stop! Stay in! Oh my god, like, what's your problem? 3, 2, 1. I love it, actually. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because, like, sometimes they do not pop up, but it's okay. I like it. I do not like this one. I don't know why. But I like the color. It's, like, really nice. Okay, now. It's a little squishy cheese. Just okay. Oh my god. I've been wanting these for such a long time. So, Alright. Oh my god, you look new. It's a mac and cheese. Like, look at this. Make sure you like. Oh, and subscribe. Oops, I forgot. And turn on post notifications. Thank you. In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Hee 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 hee. Gosh, I love this. It's like, you just see that, like. Wait, if you squish it too hard, oh, it's like a stress ball too. Buffy Bill. Okay, I'm not gonna do that to him. It's torture. Last and final fidget is, you guess? Pastel pop tubes. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My absolute favorite, green. So these are actually like really good. Like look at them all. These are actually good. Wait, I want to try them like back and other back. Okay. I rate the, oh, by the way, I rate this a 9.5 out of 10. Green, I like it. I rate it a 9 out of 10. The yellow is a bit harder. I don't know if you could like hear, but I find it a bit hard. So this one, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. The pink one, it's so pretty. Oh, this is definitely 8 as well out of 10. Beautiful. The orange, I mean, it's okay. I don't like the color that much, but I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. The blue is absolutely beautiful. I am going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Like, girl. Like, OMG. And the purple is lavender. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, because even this one is a bit hard. It's a hard one. Like, get into that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn post notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Wait, I want to like try those for the like outro. Bye!